recent one which we did was we re-implemented SAP, and earlier it was SAP ECC. Now we re-implemented and went for SAP S4HANA. So the adaptability of that ERP in all platforms is very much accepted and adopted by users. So that is something which we are stabilizing, more improving and all. Earlier ECC was very a bit not user friendly. So now S4HANA, it's all on Fury platform and all web based. So people are happy to adopt it, and we have better adoptants at the top levels. So that is the space where we are working now. There are so many things in plan, but our prime priority is on stabilizing what we have done now. By next year, we might take some other topics.
For more updates from CXO TV, please like and subscribe to our channel.